me, because he doesn't know who else to insult, because those who are doing it are too far away for him to insult. So he would then use that argument and put it to me. He said, this is what you are saying. Like if it was this matter of housing, he would say, you are saying you are going to deduct money from people to build houses. I said, to build houses for who? And things like those. So then when I try to explain, he says, I said, no. If you want to abuse someone who is higher, don't lips tremble, and then he will know you are saying something. he would have abused you. So Honorable Sifuna is someone that I'm going to miss. There is a lot that we were doing together. For the political leadership that is there now, I want you to know that wherever we pass, we who have been there, we are always asked, na sasa, nyinyi, wakati wenu haikukuwa hivi, what do you think about this? So we also have information. We also have ways to influence, the thinking of our people. And that's why I was using Sifuna, to test my arguments. Pole sana. I see my my former student here, Wajackoyah. I'm happy that you are here. I taught Wajackoyah in St. Peter's Mumias Form 5 and 6. And I'm happy that I have... just a little bit about Wajackoyah. When he talked about marijuana, people wanted to take it lightly. I started Googling, and I saw you were right. Maybe that is something that you can pursue. Otherwise, for me, I just... Okay. Last, I want to say, I and Mheshimiwa have remained steadfast from 2005 when we chose to go Chungwa, when the rest of the county here was going banana. We have remained in ODM, and that is why I would have liked that maybe his coffin should have been draped in ODM colors. Asante sana kwa kunisikiliza.
Thank you, Mheshimiwa Munyasi.